10 days. But then the rock bed. But then I found out that. Oh, he chased it all the way. Oh, I got it!
Good morning, another day at the Goon. It's a late morning, couple hour trip. My buddy Carlos Chacon, seen him with me a bunch. So we're gonna see, it's a good time of year, April, you know, so we're gonna see, catching big ones out there, cruising. And I know there's been some good ones caught. Last time I was out here with my son, we didn't see anything too big, just a little buck bass, but all right, we're gonna be out here having fun. See you guys out there. Oh no! Why? Crazy. Yeah. 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 I was like a big dog on that one. Come on. Yeah, shallow on the Texas rig on the fishing player's worm. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Second cast of the Texas rig. Not a huge one, but you got a little chunk. Yeah. That's that fishing player's worm. Check him out. A little Texas rig fish on that fishing player's worm. Come on. I know how many bushes you don't see here. So I'm just like, stay on those bushes.
Try to get it out of there.
Good hook set though. Yeah, I got that little thinner wire hook like you're talking about, you know?
See? Yeah.
With a,
I completely changed the hook, so.
I think it's just a 3/16. Yeah, guys.
And then I'm done, and she came up to me after, like, for a deal.
Oh, it's got him smashed.
I'll put a thing on.
Look at that guy.
Yeah.
Dang, they're all on this. They're all on this. We're just gonna.
Oh, yeah, that other hook. You have to slip my hook.
Yeah, it's a little guy.
Open.
You just chased your worm.
Serious right now? Why'd you get it? You get it on the box.
Yeah.
You switch it. Oh, yeah.
Caught on my camera. He's a little dude. I like that worm. I like that fishing player.
4-inch worm, huh?
Yeah.
So 4.5 inch?
It's a nice little. All right, another one on the fishing player's worm.
Little guy. With cross country right here.
Freaking apple stock. They just dominated that. I remember when that first phone came out too, and everyone was like, "What is this thing?" Yeah. Oh, that's the same place I was getting bit the other day with my son.
Oh, right here.
Yep. That's a nice bite, dude. Look at that. Like I'm smart enough to. Oh, that's a good one. Oh no, it's not. It's not. Man, that was a big old bite, though, dude. Dang. Might measure, huh? Oh yeah. Nope, there's a little dude. He hit that so hard and probably turned the other way. That hook is in there good too. It's a nice hook. Fishing player. Let's see. I don't think he's. Oh man. It's fun. All right, guys. So getting bit a little bit today. Caught 3. I got 1 for the little 2-week tournament I'm doing. But yeah, you heard me talk about him earlier. Chacon's on the boat today. We're out here looking for some big and some pre-spawners probably. But it's a beautiful day.
It's not weedless, that's for sure.
Oh, is there a weight on that hook too?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, because it has like the little, yeah. That's a cool design. That's got to be from Japan, right? The hookup. Oh, that's so cool, dude.
Or Chacon. Better one?
Yeah, well better. Got nothing but freaking bushes here, though.
Yeah, pull them out of there.
Yeah, I gotta move him. Where did he go?
Just keep the pressure on him. Keep the pressure, he'll pop up.
Oh, yeah, right there. Oh, yeah, there he is. What?
There he is.
What the? Why is this? He was like fighting me like he's a 3-pounder, dude. Thanks, dude. He pops out like nothing. That was hilarious, wasn't it? Sorry. Freaking, they're all shallow though, that's for sure. Dang. Another one on the little freaking Texas rig. Dang. Kid fought me. That was a big old fish. He was just in the bush. Oh man, that's funny.
You were fighting the bush.
Oh yeah, I was fighting the bush. That's what I was fighting. Alright, he's little, right? No measure. I'm gonna let this guy go too. Let this guy go. Thanks for playing. Do you need one?
Probably.
I have a bunch of stuff in here. That box actually have a bunch of stuff in there.
Better one? That one's gonna measure it. Yeah, thank you so much, dude.
This is a better one, huh? Oh, 3-pounder.
Better one, easy 3-pound.
Yeah.
The kind of one that would hit this one.
Yeah. Ooh. We got that sucker deep. Ooh, it's a nice chunk. Nice chunky guy. Oh. Whew. All right. You guys are good. Ow. Stop bleeding? Oh yeah, he's totally fine. Nice guy. Woo. Nice one.
Nicer one. Upgrade.
Yeah, there's a fatty.
Fatty.
A little fatty. Yeah. 3.1. Nice 3-pounder. Oh yeah, he's good now.
Does it really help?
Oh yeah. You can actually, they even tell you can even pour it right on the cut and it'll stop it from bleeding. Nice. Ooh, got a 3-pounder. Fishing shallow too, so that feels good. A fishing player worm though, he's killing it. Carlos had the good net job. I think Carlos actually has had the most net job, like clutch net jobs for me. Dude, that one fish last year on
That tournament?
dude, that was big fish the whole season. Yeah, so that was crazy.
Oh, that's the one that jumped up and landed.
Yeah, you like caught it in the air. So thanks to Carlos for that net again. Yeah, so all right, we got to get him on a fish though. I'm a bad guy right now. We're gonna catch some more. So
Terrible guy.
horrible guy. Kind of deal.
This is like in real estate, and I wanted to get into real estate back in the day. I done the rock bass. Then I found out that
Oh, he chased it the whole way. Oh, he got it.
Oh my gosh. Hopefully you got it on camera.
He's chasing that rig. Here. Oh my god. Please don't come off.
He saw me.
Oh, that's crazy.
Ready? Lift it.
Yeah, thanks, dude. That was the craziest catch ever. He came back for him. What the heck?
You were
bro?
swimming it.
I didn't. I stopped it and he came in
And he came and hit it.
He's like, what just happened? Even the fish is like, what just happened, dude? Came, got caught in the rock. Oh, look at that. Look at the great hook set.
Oh my god.
Craziest catch ever. Another 3-pounder. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, it came out. This guy chased the bait. I saw him. I stopped it in the water and ate it. Oh man. Look at yourself. Oh shoot.
Dude, that's so funny, man.
Wow. That was nuts. Dang.
So funny.
All right, 3-6. 3-6er, a couple threes. 19 in the corner. Oh, all right, guys, I have to explain this catch because it might not have seen what happened, but okay. Ned rig on the rocks, the Ned rig got caught, felt like fish for a second, kind of lifted up to set the hook. It was caught in a rock, popped it loose, reeled it back to the boat, saw the fish chasing it, so I stopped it like you would, right? And he came up and ate it on top of the surface. Freaking Ned rig, and actually got a really good hook set on him, which is crazy. Freaking 3.6-pounder, almost 20 incher, 19 and a quarter for this little tournament. But that was pretty cool. Hopefully I got some footage of it, but if not, that's what happened. Crazy.
That's what happened.
Forgot to do it on the water. They're tagging my boat right now, but yeah, I was finding them just with that finesse worm from the fishing players, just Texas rig, just dragging it so slow, and I was getting bit a lot. Caught a couple nice 3-pounders, including that crazy catch on the Ned rig with that one that was 3.6. Awesome, but it's cool. Find those fish shallow and get some bites. The water temp's warmed up finally down here. First time it's been like over 60 since I've been here this year. So, but that was fun. Got to get my buddy Carlos on fish next time though. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.